Hey bartenders, now I am going to show how to practice execution flair sequence. One double flip, same and catch, reverse flip like this, two times. Same. When you are doing one, two, from here to shaker palm roll like this. Okay, one and two. After that, we need to flip double flip and grab reverse grip like this. Okay, you can add it in flow. 3 moves. 1, 2, and 3. Same move under the shaker, swipe through and double flip. Okay. Now you can add same move in sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Again, same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same back to front without flip, shaker left hand catch, same hand catch like this. After that, knuckle stall with around the shoulder double flip. Knuckle stall around the shoulder double flip. After that, we need to flip double flip and pour. Now I am going to show with all these moves in sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 5. And 4, cut, and straight flip the shaker and pour.